Warning: this content is not made for kids under 18 years of age. This video contains scenes that are super duper loud, graphic, adult theme, explicit content, sexual content, or strong violent. This content is unsuitable for kids, infants and toddlers. Viewer discretion is advised. Man, I'm getting sick and tired of watching a Russian disaster movie called Metro on YouTube, and I saw a train that crashed back and forth. I wish I could sneak out of the house to do the same thing like in this part. Wait a second, that gives me an idea. When it's bedtime, I'm going to escape from my house to go to Vyond City Subway Station and cause the Vyond City River to come out from the tunnel ceiling and make everyone, and I mean, everyone, go insane.
Finally, my perfect chance. Shh. Don't let my parents, my siblings, and my grandma wake up. Now time to do it. Vyond logic activated.
Okay, now it's time to pour the Vyond City River down the subway tunnel so that it would flood the entire tunnel using my power. Go. Now the water is dripping from the ceiling. I think it's time to get out of here.
Why are we going to Uptown Vyond City again? I've never asked such a place anyway.
Well, Ariel, we haven't been here in case you realized us to go.
And do you even remember the last time Kiara didn't come to my school?
How exactly happened?
She even got late for her test. Whenever Kiara is, I still can figure out a way to solve the problem.
So that's why it happens?
Yeah, you're absolutely right.
Good thinking, Ariel. Let's go to the subway station.
Hello and welcome everyone to the station.
Good morning passengers and welcome to Vyond City Subway Station. The train
Wow,
11 will
there are so
arrive at
many
6:58 a.m. to Uptown
Yeah,
Vyond
they
City,
are.
and the
Ariel,
train
what
10 will
about
arrive
the
at
money?
7
I
a.m. to
agree with
Vyond
you,
City Old
darling.
Town. If
So
you are
Mom and
seated,
Dad,
there will be
how
some
long
free
does
seats
it
to sit
take
on a
to
crowded
get on the
subway
train?
train.
About
Have a nice trip.
6:58 a.m.
Oh, it is 6:58 a.m. right now.
Well, just in time for train 11 to come.
I can't wait to go to Uptown Vyond City.
You're right.
Mom and Dad, that's a lot of people. What is happening to us?
It looks like we are all stuck together, Samantha.
Pretty Ariel. What's your name?
Antonia. Your name?
Ariel.
If you want it.
It's such a dead end.
And what's better than a subway train ride without a little conversation?
That was the best thing I've ever known and loved.
Me too. So what do we do whenever we have our 24-minute piece and last in the train? I've never actually seen that subway train while it lasted.
I don't know, and we didn't find out to ourselves.
Good morning, passengers. I hope you realize to welcome here.
It's wonderful to finally meet you, Mr. Conductor.
Mr. Santiago, do you mind if I'll take you to my subway lounge and have a word with your residents? This is urgent.
Okay, why not? So, can I make a phone call?
Oh, I didn't expect anything, but sure you may.
Jealous. Do you want to know what a quick sentence? Tell me.
That's what you're an old man who hangs out with your friends. Sign this, we're here.
I need to call the head office. I work in the subway station, you done free. Oh, for crying out loud. Get me out of here, please.
Everything settled, Dad?
I guess so.
Dad, you don't know how excited I'm with you about going to Uptown Vyond City. We are going there.
Yeah, we can't wait to go.
Watch where you're jumping on me.
So Total Justice, are you excited for Uptown Vyond City?
Yes, we are. Good.
Hey honey, there's something I need to tell you. You don't realize how lucky you are. I'm a rare professional, unique even.
I understand that. Aren't you a pickup artist?
I'm a tour guide. I run subway excursions between Repark and Vyond Park culture.
Oh, I see.
Can I have your attention please, passengers? Our train is approaching the legendary Vyond City Station. Built in 1890, the station is part of the secret subway, and this line is used to lead straight to Carlo Lorenzo's private DACA. In 1930 it was returned to the workers as part of the Circle. The United Anime Sky Station was closed off. It was built on unstable soil right next to an underground branch.
There's Samantha's dad talking about the subway past.
That's right, Ariel. Trains drive past it at full speed, so now it's visible only when illuminated by another train.
Oh man, I just saw everything that he is talking about the subway past, and I think that it is Mr. Knows who's right there having a speech for the passengers and us.
Have a very unique trip to Uptown Vyond City. Okay darling, I'm finished.
Good job, honey. So how was your speech?
It's great that we've been together for the past few years.
I know.
So, how is our dad's speech about the subway past?
It is the greatest thing that I've chosen for it.
I've got to admit though.
Look ladies and gentlemen, there it is, quickly the famous ghost station World and Skya.
Wow, check out how many famous ghost death stuff there are.
Yeah, I think we are like in the middle of it.
Lots of death stuff.
In 6 months I'm giving up calling entirely.
What about, I'm eating some leftover tacos and burritos for breakfast or whenever.
Damn, I'd forgotten about tacos and burritos.
Yeah.
Oh my, where are we heading now? I've seen more water dripping down somewhere.
Wait a minute. Why is the train going the wrong way where the water is coming down?
I don't know. But in the meantime, I still couldn't believe that some water was about to fall ahead of us.
Holy crap.
what just happened. Why are you pushing me? You just messed with the wrong person.
What just happened here? That is not what it looks like. I feel like this is a deadly subway locomotive. That means it can only mean one thing. Ariel. I'm coming, Ariel.
I'm going to miss Samantha very much, and I'll always remember her in my heart.
Nowhere to be seen. I can't find her. My daughter's around here somewhere, but I can't find her anywhere.
Hey, Ariel is right here on the right side.
Ariel. Ariel, can you hear me? Ariel, please wake up. Are you okay, Ariel?
I'm doing okay, Dad. I'm kinda having a sore throat.
Does it hurt?
Yeah. I'm still alive, and what the hell just happened here?
I'm not gonna say that we're stuck inside the subway train and we've been suffered of this.
So we can't go to Uptown Vyond City?
Don't worry, Ariel. Everything is gonna be okay.
What's going on here? Tell me, honey.
Excuse me, I wasn't acting like I'm not here.
What?
Ariel just passed out from the train crash, and now she's alive again.
I can tell how Train 11 is a deadly locomotive, and this isn't the end of the world yet.
Everyone, can I have your attention? You need to get out of Train 11 and stay away from it.
That's Alan Cook, and what is he doing? We need to stay back from the window.
So that's how you want to play it, huh? Then stand back, everyone.
Warren, wait. What have you done?
There's still more to break.
This means we will run away from Train 11 to the tunnel scene.
Everybody, the train had just been rocked by an accident. Let's go down.
No way. I'm going to do it myself.
Wow, that was crazy.
That feels so dizzy, and it's the worst ride ever.
I agree with you. This is awful. Get out of here. Where's my brother and sister?
They're coming, Samantha. Don't worry.
Get out now.
Don't worry, Alejandra. I'm here.
Thanks, Stefan. Just doing okay.
Okay, kids, since you've survived here, we need to go.
All right.
Yeah.
I know.
Get out now.
How gladly you made it. So, let's go.
All right, kids, we're behind Dad.
Okay, Mom.
Mom, come quick.
Coming, Ariel.
That's strange. A person is running to get hurt, Mom,
what's the matter?
I felt like we eventually survived inside this deadly locomotive.
Wait, but that means...
Hey, stop.
What is it, honey?
I think you should go out of this door, and I should go out of the right door.
Okay.
Get out now.
Dad, over here. Look over here, Dad. We're all together down there. I'm coming down blind, don't worry.
Glad we came down, but we don't have much time.
We need to go quickly before the flood of water comes down from the ceiling.
But there's something that pushed you out.
What is it?
Wait and see. Everyone I said listen to me.
Okay, well.
What's that sound behind me? Why are the passengers running out and screaming, and what is that shifting sound? I need to get this straight. Oscar, I need your help.
What's wrong?
I've just heard right behind me that the passengers of train 11 are escaping and running out of this deadly subway locomotive and screaming. The person shouts at the passengers to get out and I hear shifting sounds, and the passengers are panicking for their lives. Can you please get this sorted out, dinner?
Roger that. I'm going to tell someone to investigate this deadly train. And also what's going on?
The passengers are suffered inside this locomotive.
Okay. I hope the passengers are survived.
I know.
Co-pilot Oscar, over and out. Now I'm going to investigate this tragedy. Who did this mess?
Well, by there. Tell me what is going on.
Sir, we have a problem. I spoke to train 11 driver, and he told me that the passengers of train 11 escaped this deadly train. And then he said that someone had yelled to get out. Then he heard 2 shootings behind him, and he said that everyone of train 11 had suffered a need to get out to survive. Can you please call train 10 to investigate where the water came from, and then warn the other passengers?
Don't worry. I am going to tell train 10 to cancel their trip to Vyond City Old Town now. Train 10, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you loud and clear. What is going on?
Train 11 is stuck inside the tunnel and the tunnel is full of water. Can you cancel this trip, please?
No need to be mad about. We'll cancel this Vyond City Old Town trip. Warn the passengers of train 10 and return all the way back to the station as an evacuation of the entire subway station.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
What's 11 doing?
The emergency brake must be triggered.
Look, Danny. There's water rising here.
I know. Come on. Let's get out of the tunnel and turn off the electric track.
When I'm there, Danny, let's go keep.
Raven, you better behave properly while we're all inside the train.
Okay, I guess.
I'm running. Train 10 is now in position and ready to move.
Move.
Okay, Carlos. Pull the lever to start this train.
Right on schedule.
Hold on tight!
Hey! What the f is going on here?
It's none of your business. Oh man, all of my passengers left, and they left me all alone. Now it's the end of my life, and I can't get out because I'm stuck inside. When the huge flood of water comes, I'm going to die.
I don't want my life to end early.
I went downstairs at 1 a.m. in the morning to get a glass of water.
Oh, okay. That's fine, Jimmy. Now, go brush your teeth, get dressed, and come downstairs after that for breakfast.
Okay, Dad. Now that the people of Train 11 have suffered inside this deadly subway train, I'm going to brush my teeth and then get changed into my clothes.
Let's scan the passengers now.
Yeah. Let's do what the protocol says. Attention passengers, I'm afraid to say that Train 11 is stuck in the tunnel, and we have to cancel this trip to Vyond City Old Town right now. And we have no other choice but to go back to the station and we'll sort out where the water is coming from. Sorry, passengers.
No. How is this possible?
What? This can't be.
Vyond City Old Town? Cancelled?
Are you out of your mind right now? This isn't good at all.
Hey man, why are you so mad?
Well, the problem is, there's something that I'm mad about.
Hey, you better shut your dirty mouth, or I'll make you lick your shoes clean.
Oh my god. What did you just said to him?
Oh, you need to shut the f up and get used to it.
Hey, that's not really nice of you to say that.
Yeah, Raven. So rude.
Well, mind your own business, Isabella and Juan. Screw yourselves then.
Raven, what's all this fussing about?
And what's the use? Well, let's start this round.
Oh yeah? Let's see what you get.
Yang.
I agree with you.
Raven, what is that about? You should know your mom.
Oh my god. What is that arguing sound?
I don't know what's going on here, but we need to calm these people down again, and they do not argue.
That is a great idea, Danny.
We all must stay calm, and there's no reason to argue. I repeat this once, but no evidence could handle that much. Train 11 is stuck in the tunnel, and we need to evacuate from the station until we can search for the water that comes right behind us.
Train 11 stuck in the tunnel.
Oh dear. How is all this possible?
Move back, everyone. Now we have realized that there's a huge problem with Train 11, and it seems that the culprits are really in it to sort out where the water is about to rise from the Train 11 tunnel. So, they should search for the water that comes after us. Now we better hold on tight cause the stop is about to come any moment now.
There's water everywhere!
Is this some kind of sick joke?
I'm suffocating, let me out.
Oh my gosh, we are going to die.
Train 10. Just take it slow.
Got it!
Let's hope there's no one in the tunnel. Fry them all.
This isn't good.
I know.
But it's a good thing that we're riding slowly back to the station to evacuate. We should wait for a caller and he'll tell us the news about the huge tsunami of water that comes down.
Absolutely, Danny.
Oscar, come here, please.
What is it now?
Take a look.
$100 feet left.
Go a bit faster.
90%. 80%.
70.
Oh my god.
60.
50. Nice work. 40.
30.
20.
Everyone, we're almost there.
Ten.
'Now this life couldn't that much be better than this.'
I know, Ariel. We're going to die really soon.
Video. Birdio, did you turn off the electric trap?
Yes.
Then why the hell is my emergency light on?
I have no idea.
Oh my goodness. We're soaking wet.
Yeah. I hope the loud siren will turn off.
Good thing it's over, but we're in a hurry.
Oh look. I see them coming.
I just successfully did it.
Yeah. You just closed the door, preventing them from dying, and you turned off the emergency light.
Where's the train?
Get out of my way.
Come on, everyone!
Evacuate immediately. On the double, everyone, you can't get on.
Where's your bunker? No.
I have one.
Now, I can't wait for the moment that will happen in the subway station, and OMG, this is how I did that to the passengers of train 11. Haha.
Attention passengers, we have an unknown of the train 11 passengers suffering from water and they separated from the ceiling crumbling full of water. I advise everyone
Sorry, I'm going to be late for work.
We can meet someday.
Please exit the station immediately, using the nearest exit door here.
You must supply a document that justifies the delay.
Leave the station immediately, sir.
I won't move until you give me your name and BGE.
Attention passengers, I repeat to all of you that the passengers of train 11 are coming out over suffering you from the water of Vyond City River, so evacuate the station.
Sorry. There's a huge flood of water in the train tunnel. Please save my daughter. It's full of water.
Attention passengers, we are under attack by the passengers of train 11. Stay away from each other and do not attempt to escalate. This is not a taxi.
Hello?
Sir, there's a huge accident and chaos between Repark and Vyond Park culture. Get out
Immediately. Oh my, thanks for letting me know. Bye. Now I'm going to bail that old man out of prison. My apologies.
Thanks.
quit the bug.
Bloody hell!
Attention, to allow the electromechanical service of the ring line to proceed, use the emergency doors to seal off Vyond Park Culture and Repark. Leave point 235 open until further information comes right afterward. During the day after the incident in the station, keep point 235 still open until an order for the conservation of this accident is issued.
Oh boy. What are we having for breakfast today, Mom?
I made pancakes for you kids.
Wow, Mom. It seems that you are the best at cooking pancakes for breakfast.
I know, right? Exactly. Me and your dad are in the living room if you need anything, okay?
Okay, Mom.
This is your responsibility.
Look.
Hey, look over there.
Over here.
Take a look around.
I'm looking for my daughter, but where is she?
I'm fine. Look here. Look over here.
I can see a girl looking for her mom.
Where's my mommy? Hannah, my angel?
Oh, hi sir. What's your problem?
Are you actually here to see what I saw?
Yes? Why?
You aren't gonna believe this. See for yourself.
Oh, my gosh.
That type is Jimmy Hernandez. He snuck into the Train 11 tunnel, used Vyond logic to make the Vyond City River flow down, and not only he just destroyed the subway train, but he made the passengers impend flood, and he also made a chaotic accident between two stations.
He did what? Thanks for telling us.
Now we're going to bring Zara Pedersen over here to tell the news, and then she'll talk about the announcement. I wonder what's on TV today? Wait a second. The news is on. Everyone, come to the living room right now. Something is wrong.
Pancakes will have to wait.
Take a look at the TV now.
Live from Vyond.
Well, Jimmy, you never know what will happen if we must pay the hospital bills after the deadline.
I know. If we could get arrested or executed, right?
Let's collect your f***ing bread. Now, Jimmy, we can't believe you teleported to the Train 11 tunnel and poured down the Vyond City River water into it, while the passengers of Train 11 went to Uptown Vyond City. That means Train 11 crashed back and forth, and the passengers struggled to survive inside. Then you made the passengers of Train 11 cause an accident and they needed to run back to the station. Now they're not able to go to Uptown Vyond City thanks to you. But don't forget, while they're still running back to the station, a huge tsunami hits the passengers. Thank goodness the tunnel tsunami is over by closing the door to block the tsunami, and the emergency light went off. After this, the passengers who suffered were out of the tunnel, and the worst part was that the entire station had a chaotic accident between Repark and Vyond Park Culture. Now the whole station has been injured and hurt insanely because of you, and that's it. This is the first time that you destroyed the subway train, and the tunnel, and maybe the whole station. How dare you, mother.
Also, we now have to pay $760,000 for the huge accident you caused between the two stations. And for spreading the crack to the tunnel. I think you're gonna be arrested or executed, not us. You're the one who's doing that to the passengers of Train 11 today.
You are also freaking grounded for 1,023,456,7,9,0,2,3,4,5,6,7,9,3,8,9,0,2,22,222 years. And while you're grounded, you'll be eating nothing but lumpy potatoes for every meal, including dessert.
Oh, and by the way, Jimmy, for for all of the destruction you caused to the entire subway train. Do you know what this means?
Oh, I get it. It's going to be my second punishment day with some insane brutal punishments. Am I right?
Right on the money, Jimmy. And that means...
Today is your second punishment day with such extremely insane brutal punishments, you dingbat dirty jackass motherfreaker.
Oh my gosh. This is the worst day ever.
Shut up and deal with it, Jimmy.
First punishment, placing your head into a pot with very hot boiling water.
Now place your head into the pot or we will give you more punishments.
Okay, fine. Ouch. That boiling water just burned my face and it burns a lot.
Serves it. This is what you get for flooding the tunnel with a tsunami full of water.
Second punishment, loud music. And to the people who are watching this, I suggest you turn down the volume because the loud music is coming in 3 seconds. Get ready.
Ouch. It hurts my eardrums so bad. How could you do this to me?
That's what you get, Jimmy. Once we remove the speaker, we will move on to your third punishment.
Third punishment, we need you to jump off the roof of our house into the pool.
Wait, that's odd. Isn't that what the punishment was meant to be? How could this punishment fall into my own hands?
Just deal with it and jump all the way down into the pool now.
I don't think I could, but oh well. Cannonball. The pool is nice and clean. What kind of pool is it?
It's a bleach pool, Jimmy.
A bleach pool?
Fourth punishment, bowling something into your butt. Now it's about time for me to do it.
Holy mother of freaking God. My butt freaking hurts so insanely, and got blood out again, with the shit.
Fifth punishment, having at least a 5,000-degree cold shower. Now start showering.
It's so cold. Please save me from the freeziness. Ouch. The water is really icy cold. It freezes me.
I don't care if it's that cold, son. Now let's go to the next.
Sixth punishment, shaving all your hair off hardly.
No. I don't want to lose my beautiful hairstyle. I thought I'd love this hair.
Just say all you want, but your hairstyle will be shaved off hardly and that's that. Here I go.
Oh my God. My hair, my beautiful hair, is all gone. How could you do this to me? Now I'm bald because of you. Screw you, Mom.
Hey. Young man, you'd better not tell us what to do. Besides, we can just deal with you unacceptably.
Seventh punishment, a 7-mile spanking machine. Mom, Grandma, Dallin, me, Joanne Sarafson, Jossie Sarafson, the Ugladulls, Sophia Miller, Ty and his co-hosts, Connor the Sushi Packer, G.A. Bricks, the Dish Girls, various users, and more other people will be giving you lots of spankings for being a very naughty boy. Okay everyone, line up. It's time to give Jimmy the spanking of a lifetime.
No. Please don't spank me, guys. I will be a good boy, I swear.
Well, that's just too bad, Jimmy. Go.
Ow 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 ow. That really ducking hurt my so bad. Whoa.
You have 3 punishments left.
8th punishment. Watching All Colors 358's Mitchell Gets Grounded videos from May 13, 2024 to today on TV.
Now sit on the sofa.
Oh my goodness. Those grounded videos out of Michelle are so cringe. This isn't happening at all. Now
get up from this sofa, because you have 2 more to go. Great. Let's go to the 9th punishment.
9th punishment, I will pop your eyes out with a knife. Hold still, because this will hurt a bit.
Ouch. My eyes are all completely popped out so insanely. You're so mean.
And finally, 1 more punishment, and then you're done.
Now let's go to the Burj Khalifa for your final punishment.
Wait a sec. What is this place?
It is located in Dubai. Come on, Jimmy.
Okay. Hey, what are we doing on top of the Burj Khalifa?
Jimmy, you will look around Dubai for 6 seconds, and then we'll go down if we always wanted it.
Okay, I guess. I don't see any other place anywhere that is mentioned to me.
Goodbye, Jimmy. Enjoy your death.
We did it. We gave Jimmy a 2nd punishment day.
I hope we will always teach him a lesson about not pouring water into the train line tunnel.
He also deserved it for that.
I agree.
Me too.
So, you guys are up for a party along with Jimmy's death?
Yeah, let's celebrate.
Great. Let's go back to Vyond City and celebrate Jimmy's death. Come on everybody, let's all dance with Jimmy's death together.
I hope Jimmy won't come back to life ever.